Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. This is my first video in ORCA. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ORCA 6 calculations and what are the things we can perform using this ORCA 6 software. So first we will see about ORCA. ORCA is a powerful and versatile quantum chemistry software package primarily developed by the group of Professor Frank Nisi. So the license and availability. So this software actually free for academic and non-commercial research purpose. So we need to register to download this software. Later I will tell you how to register and to get this. For commercial use, we need paid license. So there are three kind of platform available. One is a Linux. We can use Ubuntu to install this software, and we can use, and also we can also use Windows and Mac OS. These are the three platforms available for this software. So which one you can prefer, you can just download it and use it. First we can do geometry optimization. So optimization molecular structure to minimum energy. This software support HF, DFT and MP2 post-HF methods, and also the tight and very tight convergence option also available. So later video I will tell you how to make input file for geometry optimization with different kind of functionals. Second, we will do the frequency calculation. So we can get that harmonic vibrational frequency analysis to find the minimum energy, the confirmation of minimum with no imaginary frequencies. For transition state verification, we need to get one imaginary frequency, that means negative frequencies. And we can also get thermochemical corrections such as 0 point energy and entropy and enthalpy, and everything we can get from this vibrational frequency calculation. I will also teach you this upcoming videos. Third one is single point energy calculations. So for high accuracy energy evaluation on fixed geometries, useful for energy refinement. If you want to, first you can optimize the system with normal basis set and theory. Later if you want that high accuracy energy, just you can use MP2 other methods in order to get that high accurate energy. Fourth, thermodynamics. So in the frequency calculation, we can get that 0 point energy and entropy and everything. From that thermodynamics part in the calculations, we will get that Gibbs free energy for the system. So we can use this energy to calculate that Gibbs free energy for catalytic cycle. Solvation calculation also possible. We can do two types of calculation. First one is implicit solvation and another one is explicit solvation. So this is, we need to use real water molecule, but here there is no the real water molecule for here. So I will also tell you how to do this kind of solvation calculation and using ORCA software. Then bond analysis. So we can see the what kind of bonds present in our molecule. So if you see, the first one is the sigma bond is there, and the second one is pi bond, and this also pi bond, and the fourth one is delta bond. Then we can also do electrostatic potential surface analysis. What we can do with a Gaussian, we can also perform this kind of calculation here. This is the molecular electrostatic potential map for this sulfonilic acid. So this is the one. So this is the negative, this positive means positive charged position. This is the negative charged position. Red color means. So we can also do this kind of calculation and plot this kind of beautiful figures. So then we can also do transition state calculation in order to find our transition state of our mechanism. So this is the simple reactions given in that tutorial. So this is the reactant, this is product, this is the transition state. So we can optimize this transition state using ORCA. And IRC calculation also we can do in order to verify our TS is correct or not. So this is a forward, the blue color, the orange color is the backward IRC. So we can connect this to IRC to verify our transition state. So if you are doing TS calculation, you must do the IRC calculation in order to verify the transition state after the single vibrational frequency. If you are not getting the single negative vibration frequency, so your TS is not correct. So then you have to get that correct transition state, do vibrational frequency calculation, get one negative frequency, then you can perform this IRC calculations. So we can also do UV visible spectroscopy. So this is the model spectra they given in that tutorial web page. So we can also perform this kind of UV visible spectroscopy using ORCA and nuclear magnetic resonance NMR spectra also we can do. So I will teach you this also, how to make input file and do this calculation in order to get that our shielding values. C13 and proton NMR also possible. So I will teach you the both of the things. And electron paramagnetic resonance, this is the EPR. So we can also do this kind of calculations using this ORCA. So they used here methyl radical. They got this kind of spectra. So the red color is the theory. So this gray color is the experiment. So it's nearly matching with that experiment. So we can also do different kind of examples to get the electron paramagnetic resonance. And vibrational circular dichromism, we can also do this one in order to see that enantiomers SS and RR. So this is that blue color is SS and the orange color is RR. So we can do calculation this one and we can plot like this. We can get our dichroism, vibrational circular dichroism spectra. And we can do energy decomposition analysis, that is EDA and ETS-NOCV also possible. So I will teach you how to do this EDA and ETS-NOCV calculation using ORCA. This is also very useful. I also used this calculation for my studies. I got that nice results. You can also do the population analysis, naturally NPA, Lautin and molecular analysis, and also many other things are possible. I will teach you one by one while doing that tutorial series. So there are a GU for this ORCA software. So we can use Avogadro software to visualize that Q file and other output files from that ORCA. So second one is a ChemCraft. So you can also download this one. It's actually free only. Just you can download it and install. This is a Chimera X. So this also is very useful. So I will tell you these three GUIs for our ORCA software, how to use and where to get and how to install also I will tell you. So how to download this ORCA software. So I will tell you the next upcoming videos how to download this one using we have to use ORCA forum to download this software. So I will tell you how to download this one. For that first we need to register and we can follow the some download instruction. We will get that software, Windows and Linux for Mac OS also. So I think that's all. Regularly watch my videos. I will post weekly 2 or 3 videos in the series, so you can learn along with me. So this is very useful software. So actually this is the free for academic things. So you can, if you are unable to use that Gaussian other paid things, so you can shift to this ORCA software. This is wonderful software. Just everyone should try this one. So thank you so much for watching my videos. So I kindly request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.